Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I've been having problems with my 69 BW bug. No start, no, didn't run, so didn't turn over, so there's no, it had power. You turn the switch and it had power, everything turned on, but when you wanted to turn it on, nothing. It's just dead. So my problem was the ignition switch. I went ahead and replaced it, and I have an aftermarket one. It's a Baja, so I don't use the one that came with it. That one doesn't work, but installed a new one and I started right up. But in the process, I did replace the starter. So you guys might want to try the ignition switch first. My starter was pretty slow, pretty dead, so it needed to be replaced anyway. So that wasn't the problem. So the problem was the ignition switch, and mine looked like this. So hope that helps somebody out there.